What's going on, you guys? How are y'all doing today? So we just finished up fueling up the R6. Right now we're about to head out to a Taco Tuesday meet. So I'm gonna go right over there. It's about a 50-minute drive, so it's a little ways away, but the R6 is looking real nice and pretty and all detailed up and everything, so figured I might as well go take her over there and also see if we can go meet up with anybody there. I'm sure I'll be able to find some people I know. It's a really popular Taco Tuesday meet, so let's head out. See undercover cop right there. Dude, today is such a beautiful day. This is what I've been waiting on. It is currently 70 degrees, sunny, just a little breeze. It is perfect to be riding. So you know I had to come out here. It would be like a crime to not come out and ride today when it's this nice. Is it a bronze i8? Man, the only thing cool about that car is the doors. Everything else, just weird. It's got basically like McLaren doors. It's like a 3-cylinder hybrid. They could have made that car so cool if they put actually like a decent motor in it way back when. This Taco Tuesday time though isn't ideal. We are going like on so many different highways to get there. And it's basically like the time where everybody's coming back from work right now, so it's going to be extremely busy on the road. So I'm probably going to have to not talk too much and just pay attention, because people like to act like they don't know how to drive when there are a lot of cars out. I'm just going to do like a little shortcut. I'm going to go right to get on the highway instead, because all like 4 of these lights are just stop and go. So I should be able to cut down a few minutes going this way. Hi, bud. Do you like the bike? Oh, that's so cute. Wish I could take him home with me. Dang, dude, he's still staring at me. Ah, that's such a cute puppy. See, and my dog, on the other hand, gets scared of how loud this thing is. Alright, highway number 1. We gotta be on here for like half an hour. And that car almost just crashed into the semi. One thing that I love right now is motorcycles can get this express lane for free. We don't got to be stuck in the 5 lanes of cutting in and out over there. We just get in this lane, chill. I just wish I had cruise control. It's a wide open straight right now. I also have like little to no idea where I'm going, if I'm being honest with you guys, because got no phone. Got no navigation to my dash, that's for sure, either. So I'm definitely going to have to stop, pull over, try and figure out where the heck that I am and what exits to take. I'm honestly just going to guess. If we make it to Taco Tuesday, that's going to be a miracle in itself, because like I said, I really don't know where I'm going. I went there once before by following like a whole group of people with navigation and quad locks and all that. So we're on our own right now. We are on our own, boys and girls. Oh my gosh, I knew it was a cop. I've just been silent for the past couple seconds. I had such a feeling that it was. And it's not even a regular cop, it's a state trooper, dude. Woo, thank the Lord! He just went by. I think I see a cop pulled over up here. I got a ZX10R or a ZX10R, I couldn't tell. Looked at it too quickly, yep. Undercover, got this guy right here. Let's hop off the highway, or this express lane. Now we gotta go to the highway number 2, which I think is this way. Actually, maybe not. No, it's not this way. I'm really trying to use my brain right now, guys. But I'm not good with like road names or nothing. Like, I just can remember how to get somewhere, but I haven't been here enough times to get here. Off of just memory. Oh wait, it's that one. You know, it's that exit right there. Now, how do I get to it on this side? Oh, that's a very good question. Oh wait, is this it? Is this it? Yes. It is. Okay. We got one highway now. What's the next one after this? This is highway number 2 we're about to get on. How do I get to the next one? Yeah, this one. Low rev. Oh, that's not so crazy. This would be a nice corner to take if we were able to get some speed. Oh, we got a cop right there. A state trooper. Is he gonna pull off right now and come get me? Not as of right now, at least. I don't see him back there. I think we're chilling. Yeah, dude, look at this. Non-express lane. Look at y'all sitting in that traffic. Could it be me? Couldn't be me. Oh. Oh. Damn. Now, you guys, we made it halfway here. Where the heck is the next one? I think that guy's next to me at the gas station. Where are we going next? I do not know. I really do not know. Let's just keep going straight until we see something that looks promising, I guess. I think the sun's about to set too. Hopefully I can at least make it there before then so I can see easier where the heck I'm going. And I'm very glad I switched to my clear visor, or else we would be cooked on the way back. Yeah, I used to have like some community college classes out here. I had like one I had to go to out here for science. Take that exit right there, and then it'd be right up there on the left. So glad I don't have to do that anymore. That's a cop. I'm in this lane. Why am I tripping? But I'm so glad I don't have to do that anymore, man. College is like years behind. Especially that on a Friday morning early, having to drive like 45, 50 minutes out here. Just nah. Rather do something different. Much rather do something else. Oh, that's a wooden plank. Alright. Now we gotta go back to the normal traffic. I think that's the exit that we're gonna take. I really hope so. Now, I really don't know where we're going. I knew like 3 highways, but I do not know these roads. I was honestly hoping I would just see like bikes on the road and I'd be like, okay, I'm gonna follow those guys. They gotta know where they're going, but I haven't seen any on the way I'm going yet. I'm praying someone to just show up behind me and be like, okay, let's go this way. I'll follow wherever he's going. I don't see nobody. I think I need to just pull over and like check my maps. So I'll probably need to get off the highway so I can do that, man. Hold up! Hold up! I think that's the road name. We're getting somewhere now, man. I don't know where we're getting to, but we're getting somewhere. I can tell you that, bro. Oh, I see bikers right there. See? That's what I needed. Thank you, God. Thank you. 3 random bikers, dude. Has to be it. Has to be it. TRX. And a couple of Hellcats right there. I don't even know what that Ford Fusion is. No offense. Guys, I think we made it. I don't know how, but we did. Look at all these bikes, man. This is sick. Whew. What's up, brother?
Nice bike.
Thank you, man. You too. That thing looks sick.
I like the Ford Target.
Yeah. It pops with the blue.
I'm getting that. Cause I kind of like the one kind of dope.
Yeah.
I was like,
It's unique though.
I like it.
Yeah.
What
It's
year is yours?
it's 2020.
2020. Oh,
Yeah.
oh, nice.
R1M. S1000 single R.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Aaron.
Aaron?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. I'm Isaac.
Isaac, nice to meet you, bro.
You ride around here?
Not bad. I was like 50.
But it's nice out.
That's what I'm saying. I'm like, it's alright. It'll be straight. They're Pro Grips.
Yeah, what brand are these?
Pro Grips.
Oh, Program.
Yeah, dude, they're like 30 bucks. What's that?
Where do you mount your phone?
Oh, I got lost. I was like, if I don't see no more bikes, I just try and go off my memory, bro.
GP5 or GPR4 5.
Thank you, bro. Yeah.
Aren't they coming out with the R9 this spring?
Yeah, they're trying to come out with it. Just got like delayed for a bit, bro.
Oh man, yeah, but dude, this blue is so fire.
Thank you, man.
You painted the wheels or they came stock like
They're
that?
factory like that. Yeah, I just can't. Since they're blue, I feel like I can't switch it to any other color.
You can, man.
It's just stuck like that.
Got to. What's that, man?
That's the highway on the way here, man. But I'm about to step real quick. I gotta get back to the crib.
Hey man, drive safe.
Thank you, bro. My bad, guys. I just had to pop out of there because I'm following my boys home because I saw them at the meet. So they know how to get back better where I'm going. So I was behind. I had to go catch up. But now we're good. Oof, man, it feels so good to be back like this. Back riding with a bunch of my friends. Dang, dude. I miss this feeling. See, this is what I've needed. I haven't done this in so long, dude. And when you're riding with like friends, it makes the experience so much better. This is where it's at, dude. This is like the bike life. You got all your buddies just cruising down the highway. And we got another R6 right here too. R6, ZX10R, S1000 single R, Gixxer, I think 1000, ZX10R. Plus, my R6. That meet was packed, you guys. I didn't get to film all of it, of course, and it was super dark, so it kind of kills that a little bit. It's just harder picking up things at night on the camera because I'm going off my iPhone. But there were so many people there, and it's just the start of the season. That was like the first official meet, and it was literally packed to the brim. There was overflow parking lots full, everything. So I can't even imagine how they're gonna deal with all the bikes and all the cars this summer once it gets a little bit nicer. Even like 2 weeks from now or next week. That was awesome though. I've really missed going to meets and just hanging out with everybody. Feel like over this winter, that's what I've been missing, dude. Just because there's so many people that I know from the bike community, but I don't really see them otherwise. I love that motorcycles bring everybody together too, just like that. That guy in the car was recording every one of us. He was loving it. That's so funny. So I was trying to do some little accelerations so I could get this crisp exhaust now. I feel like the end of Fast and Furious with the See You Again song right now. Because I'm going this way. But they're still just going to stick on the highway for a little bit. Now your boy's back to being by himself. I just forgot how much more fun motorcycling is, like when you're with your boys or a whole group of people. It really does make the biggest difference, I'm not gonna lie. You guys agree? You like solo rides or do you like group rides better? And I'm not a fan of like a massive big ride with like tons of people, but you know, like a couple of close friends, maybe like 6 people, I feel like it's perfect. I don't know how this camera quality is gonna come out. I do apologize if it's not that good. I tried to change some settings on the fly, so I really don't know how it's gonna look. I haven't programmed like a good night settings yet because I don't really do too many night rides, which I honestly really enjoy them, so definitely want to do some more. So these settings might suck, they might be alright. I don't know. Nevertheless, I'll still post it because I still got to give you guys some content. And I really wish I was able to film more at the meet and include more, but there was so much copyrighted music playing, so I just couldn't have my phone recording all the time and like talk about each of the modifications on the bikes. That's what I wanted to do. Kind of wanted to go through each bike at the meet, the mods on it, and show you guys. But I wasn't able to because there's blaring music of, you know, copyrighted stuff, and I want the $4 that I make on this video. I don't want it to get taken away. So today was like my first taste of, you know, the new season, getting out there, going to a meet, and I loved it. I cannot wait for 2025 riding season to, you know, kick off. It's going to be a ton of content we're going to film, ton of things we're going to do. I know there's a track day coming up next month, so maybe even something like that, man. Definitely going to be a track day coming this season, though. So I'm just going to cruise on back now, and if anything crazy happens, I'll of course include it, but I hope not. That made something probably bad happen. But yeah, man. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please consider the like, subscribe button, and comment below any video ideas you want to see for this next couple months while the weather's perfect, while we get into summer. Let me know what type of content you guys want to see and what you want me to make, and I will happily go ahead and do it. As always, please take care, ride safe, wear your gear, always wear your gear, man. Peace.